Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching my videos. In this video I'm going to show you best products to promote on Clickbanks in 2022. These products are selling like hot in current months. If you're watching this video so late, I might be in mid of 2022 or maybe later, then the scenario might be changes because it keeps changing on time to time. So if you are looking to promote best products on Clickbank right now, let's say you are in November, December, January, February, then these are the hot products and these products are working very good on Clickbank. I have also tried some of these products and I've also got so many results promoting these products. So let's talk about these products. But firstly, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe so that whenever I'll publish a new video, you will get notified by that video and you will get notified, and you will also learn new things from me because I usually publish videos related to make money online, affiliate marketing, blogging, digital marketing and all that. So let's get started and start the video. So the number nine product is Biofit is basically a health niche product, and if you are working on health niche, then this can be a great option for you. But if you are not working on health niche, then still you can create a landing page and you can promote this product. So let's check this product on Clickbank and how it working and what about this product. So I'm inside my Clickbank account. Here you can see I'm logged into my account. Now this is the product. You can see Biofit, and the gravity of this product is 230. It means that 230 people are purchasing this product, so it means that this product is selling very good. So let's see what is this product all about. Okay, plus we will also see the landing page of their affiliate page and what is the product all about. Plus let's go to their sales page. So guys, we are on the Go Biofit. We are on the sales page of this page. This is the main sales page. Stuff your face, lose weight. So this is this things. This looks very great, and they have a great video on the landing page. It's a very unique and simple landing page, BSL page, which has a video. Here you can click on that video. I think the people who want to purchase that product can know about the product and then they can make the purchases. So this is a very unique landing page. Plus here is their affiliate page where they promote so many things to do for you to promote Biofit. Here you can see that you are getting 75% commission and CP is 25 and EPC is means that how many dollars are spending on selling this product. So it's a very good product. You have campaign details, hope links and pixels. You will get email swipes, banners, videos, landers, product images, author pics and testimonial, articles. You will also get PR articles and free ebooks and all that. So it's a great product. They give 75% commission, and the product, they also have other products as well which you can also promote on this niche. So this is our first product. So next, let's talk about the eighth number products. So I have described them 8, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then 1. So if you want to know about product number 1, then please stick to end of this video so that you will learn what is the number 1 product that is selling like hot in Clickbank right now. If you are watching this video very late, then maybe scenario might change. So the 8 number product is Smooth Diet. It is again a weight loss product, and I, to be very honest, there are a lot of weight loss products that are working very good in Clickbank, and so many people are promoting those products. So here you can see you have Smooth Diet, and their gravity is again good. They have a great landing page. They have a great affiliate page. I'm to be very honest, I'm myself promoting this product for so long. It's been around 4 to 5 months and I'm getting good results using paid ads and some of the internet ads. Okay, so let's come to the product number 7. So 7, the number product is Poster Stream. It's again a health niche product. Okay, and let's search about this, see how much gravity it has. And here you can see, sorry, post. So here you can see this is the product that is post screen. It's basically product related to postrate, and you can see that it's a dietary supplement. Plus this the gravity of this product is 64, and to be very honest, that there is not too much competition on this product, so you can go with it, and you can also promote it, because whenever you'll go with the high gravity product, so there will be high number of chances that there will be so much of competition, and you'll also get so many competition. So this is their landing page, hashtag number one method to help support a healthy portrait. Here you can see it's a simple sales letter, it's basic sales letters, and they have their pricing option. You can see 30-day supply, 69 bottle, 49.59, and they also have a 60 days money back guarantee. Plus let's see how much commission they are giving. So it's around, you will earn around 120 USD dollar per conversion. This is again a good product if you are in the health niche, or if you want to promote Clickbank products, because uh, health products did well in the Clickbank. Okay, so let's talk about our next product, that is product number 6, and it's Signote. It is again a product in the health niche again, and it's again a great product, and it is also again converting good. So let me just see what's the name, maybe I typed it wrong. So this is the product. Sorry, I typed the name of the product wrong. It's Signogut, and here you can see this is the product, that is nougat and poop winner Signout, and the average conversion and card average conversion is 118 US dollar, and they have a good sales page. They also have affiliate page where you will get affiliate resources to promote the products. Here you can see winner in the poop niche. Okay, affiliate are doing 5 to 6 figures per day. So you can see this is how people are making money with this product. Here you can see as an affiliate, all affiliate breaking any rules and all that. This is the affiliate page, how people are doing. You can also try this product. Here it's simple to maintain healthy digestion. It's basically a product related to digestion and all that. So you can also try this product. You will get 30 days money guarantee, and the product price of the product is just 69 US dollar. Here you can see this is how things work. Okay, so this is again a great product to promote, and let's come to the next products, and this is product number 5 is Java Burn. Again, this is again a health niche product. I must say that there are a lot of products in affiliate marketing that are doing very good in health niche, especially in Clickbank. Java Burn is again, I would say, it's again a great product, and the gravity of this product is 677. So guys, this is again a great product to promote, and the you will average conversion is 114.87 USD. Again, health niche product. Now let's go to the next product, that's product number 5, and it's hyperbolic stretching. Again, it is again a health niche product. As I said, that best products on the Clickbank that are doing very good on Clickbank are health niche products. So guys, the third number product is the Lost Book of Remedies. It is again a Clickbank health niche product, because as I already told, sorry, I this is not the product number third. The fourth number product is hyperbolic stretching. Sorry, hyperbolic stretching is the product. The gravity of this product is 58, but it's again a good product, and it's converting well, and people have started promoting this product. So if you all also looking to promote this product, then you can go with this product as well. The next product we have is number 3 is the Lost Book of Remedies. It is again a health niche product, and you can promote this product. The average conversion is 41.41 US dollar, and you can promote this. They have 75% conversion rate, and the gravity is 79. So is the good gravity greater than 10 is great. So don't go for the products that have gravity of 677, because that the competition will also be high. Okay, so we have got the number one product, that is Altai Balance. It is again a Clickbank health niche product. It is again a health niche product. And as I already told you that most of the products that are doing well on Clickbank, that are the health product. So it is again, the average conversion is 119 US dollar, 119 USD dollar, and you can see 85% people are uh, purchasing this product, plus the 153 gravity of these products. So guys, before I tell you about the number one product that is doing great in Clickbank, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so that whenever I publish a new video, you will get notified to that video. And if you like the video, give a thumbs up to this. If you don't like video, give a thumbs down to this video. So let's come and know what's the number one product. So the number one product on the Clickbank that is converting like hot is Dentitox Pro, and it is again a health niche product, but it's converting very well. And if you are starting now, you can go and create a content around this product. You can create landing page, and this product is converting really great. Guys, the gravity is 267. This gravity might be updated 1 and 2 months back, but right now this product is converting very high. I have some tools that I can uh, spy, and by spying using those tools, I come to know that Dentitox Pro is converting like hotcake right now in the Clickbank. So if you also want to make money using affiliate marketing, then you can go and promote these products. If you do not know how to sign up for Clickbank and how to do affiliate marketing, I have published a detailed video on how to do affiliate marketing from basics to advanced. You can go and watch that video, link in the description below. So this is all about best products to promote on Clickbanks right now. If you're watching this video so late, then situation might be changed. Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll meet in the next one.